Just a quick video to talk about my son's 2004 Pontiac Vibe that I got up on the lift, doing what was going to be a general maintenance day. He had a leaky CV axle. He was scheduled to come out last Saturday. Then he had to reschedule for Wednesday when he was off work. Tuesday afternoon, it came in on a tow truck. So let me show you what went wrong. So one good thing about this lift is if a vehicle has to come in on a tow truck, the 11,000 SSWD from Advantage Lifts is very wide. So the flatbed of the tow truck actually set between those little black boxes, and the tow truck driver just put it right on the lift. So Alex had a CV axle that was leaking, wasn't making any noise. He had a medical appointment. Let me see if I can avoid some of the sunlight here. Here we go. Had a medical appointment. After that appointment, he was at a stop sign, and when it was clear, he hit the gas and the car didn't move. All it made was a grinding noise. And you can see how this CV axle failed. I've never seen one fail like that. So I already had the CV axle. It was the driver's side that failed. I've already got that one installed. One of the purposes of this video is just give you a quick tip. The YouTube videos that I saw on this said to get the axle out, 30 millimeter 12-point socket to get that off, and then you had to take the strut off and actually remove the knuckle. All that's really required, and I'll show you on the other side as well, is if you take those 3 bolts loose that hold the lower ball joint in place, that will allow the strut assembly, brake rotor and everything just to swing out of the way. A couple taps with a rubber mallet will get that loose. And to kind of illustrate a little better, I'll show it on the side I got apart. So this is the passenger side. Basically, I'm doing the same job. You can see, just slid out of the way. There's plenty of room there to get that axle out. The new axle has a little pin on the inside, part of the axle that actually, it's actually like a snap ring. Let me show it over here. This broken piece here, you can see the snap ring there on the end. So what you have to do is get in there with a pry bar and pop that out, and the axle will then just slide out. Good time to inspect your axle seals in case you need to replace them, or if they showed any signs of leaking. They're about $10 a side. Can be a little difficult to find, but not overly. Let me see. I hope this helps someone. It's not a hard job by any means, but just fair warning. Normally folks say sign that these axles are going out is when they start clicking or making noise during a sharp turn. This car I rode in it a week ago, it made 0 noise. So other than the CV axle leaking grease, there was no imminent signs of failure. And when I took the thing apart, it was still full of grease. So hope this helps someone. Let me finish this job up and I'll post this video. If you have any comments, please put them down below. I'll link Amazon. I'll provide links to Amazon for the parts that I purchased. Take care. Bye. One thing of note, when you buy new CV axles, again, this is a 2004 Pontiac Vibe, exact same car as the Toyota Matrix, and is built on the Toyota Corolla chassis. You'll notice that this axle does not have an ABS tone ring that goes through the hub. All the replacement axles do, and that's fine. According to the manufacturer, the ABS tone ring, as you can see, fits in there perfectly, even though this car does not have front ABS. Hope this helps. Just got back from a test drive. Just double checking torque on bolts. Everything is good. These bottom ball joints that go into the lower control arm, they torque at 65 foot-pounds. Everything looks good. Again, that tone ring fits in there nicely. Double checking both sides to make sure that the axle seals are not leaking, and they're not. So the old Vibe lives for another day.